Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the iPhone 16 Pro. For that you have two options let me show you the first one. It works with the software. So just scroll down right next to the camera, then you're in the control center, and the part of the control center is now here the symbol to power off the phone. If you tap it just for short, nothing happens. You have to press and hold it for 1 or 2 seconds and then you are here at the power off menu. So just slide them completely here to the right to power off the phone. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just use here the side button and the volume down button. Long press these both buttons and then you as well finally here at the power off menu. Just slide them here to power off completely to the right as I've said, and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.